How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Toy Table. I'm your host, Steve, and I'm waiting for that 1996 race to upload. So I called my little guy down to get in his fix for some racing. So I think we got a good one here for you. We got a couple almost pairs anyways. We got a 1988 Honda Civic. You can go ahead and open that one. Then we'll see whether they learned anything over 30 years, because we got the 2018 Honda Civic. And then they're going to go up against the bad Ratitude. Couple of those racers there. Well, this is Ratical Racers and Bad Ratitude. I just realized that. Hey, they changed the name. Okay. Anyways, so not much format to this, except we got our first Honda out of the package. Maybe we can try them both on the orange track and then up the middle. We're going to race them a bunch of times. Oh, nice rip, Ken.
I don't want to do them all.
Pardon me?
I don't want to do them all.
You don't want to do what all?
The cars.
Open them. Open them. Let's let them breathe, buddy. We slowed down on opening. We still have like a ton of cars to open, guys. I've got to accelerate the pace of opening these cars. There's still a ton more over there. Nice rip. Okay, so we got all four of them now. All right, who do you think's gonna win, the black Honda or the red Honda? Huh?
Black.
Okay, put them in. I'm gonna go lane one then. I'll be the red one.
Now be the black one.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, your black one got out to a good lead and holds it. I don't think there's any need for a lane change. You want to do a lane change?
Yeah.
My red one. Very disappointing there.
Started its time.
Okay, Ken, you're up. You want to go again? Do you want to go again?
No.
No? All right, here I go. Here I go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. That's the black one by a mile. So, the black Civic is going to go on to face the winner of these two, well, I thought the same cars, but not. Bad Ratitude and Ratical Racer. Who's going to go face that black Honda in the next one? I think the white one. I'm going to pick the white one this time. Who's your pick there? My co-host Ken? All right. You could have picked the same one if you want. Okay.
That's my attitude.
It's the same one. Kinda. One's a Ratical Racer and one's a Bad Ratitude. And look at those stickers. They look awesome. Good job the other night on those stickers, Ken.
1, 2, 3, go.
The red one crushes it. I do it this time.
Uh-huh. Now I'll be up here.
Okay, watch that pop. I think there's pop in there. All right, let's see here. I was worried about that lane one. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh! Wow, that red one's fast. Oh, the bag of race cars, yeah.
And here, over here.
The same ones. Yes. Ken's referencing that I do have another pair waiting for this little kind of off tournament. Just racing some cars with the boy. I think we'll call this series just a couple guys racing some cars in their basement. Okay. So, I think the red one's gonna win now this time, buddy. Watching that first race, I think it's gonna win. What do you think? They're up here. That's very good recognition, Ken.
Then maybe we can have a race with them.
Yeah, eventually.
Yeah, all of them.
All of them, yeah, absolutely all of them.
Maybe we can take.
We need Papa to help us with the start line.
To the beach.
Oh, I forgot. Everybody, don't worry. That's just a tattoo of a motorcycle on there. We got a little board yesterday, and then he has a couple other tattoos that we put on. Anyways, let's get back to the racetrack.
And look And look at this one.
Oh yeah, that was a big rig, but it's kind of peeled off a bit. The one on your cheek's gonna last a little longer. That's why I put it there. Okay, we got the Indy cars going up the middle. That's cool. That's cool, Ken. Wait, let's fix that red one. Maybe a little straighter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Nice start, Ken. Oh, the Ratical Racer with the win there against the Civic. Not sure whether there's anything more we need to see there, except let's see all 4 of these cars go up the middle.
Where's my car?
Which ones? The race cars?
Yeah.
I left them at the finish. Okay, bump and grind styles here. We got the Honda Civics against the bad Ratitudes. Okay, he's gonna put his Indy cars on the outside. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Full track. Oh no, we got one stuck. Doesn't matter. Oh, it's still one. It came from way behind. It beat everybody. Wow, we're gonna have to put that in the title. Look at that comeback. The comeback of all time.
Bring my race cars over here.
Oh well, I can't carry them all. Here you go. That was the biggest comeback of all time, Ken. If you guys have a bigger comeback on camera, let me know. I will be glad to watch that thing. Those things were halfway down the track. I think we found another hidden gem. The red Pumpkin Grind Series. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Wow. Okay. Yeah, he got turned around there somewhere.
Maybe if we bring the other cars.
Okay. Okay.
Bring mine already. You bring yours.
All right. So I think we found our standout here,
Hey,
Ken. Out of these.
How to do the ball?
I know. Well, hold on. I had an idea. I think we got our standout. Where's that green station wagon Datsun that you thought was going to be for Momo? Remember that green one with the flowers on it? I'm not sure where we put that one. Okay. Oh, here it is. Right here. Found it.
Yeah, I put it there.
Okay. Okay, so if you guys were watching another movie or video that we did, it was just a couple guys racing cars in the basement. Well, this was...
These ones over here.
Pardon me?
Over here.
Yeah, that's another series I'm working on, Ken. Well, these are all of our unopened Impalas.
Yeah, Papa will love those.
Oh, Papa will love those. I'll take... Oh, whoop. There's a Riviera in there. He's not an Impala. But, yeah, we're working on that one.
I don't want to open them for that. Hey.
Well, we are going to open them. We're going to open them. Oh, yeah. One of these days. We're going to ask our...
No. We are going to bring them to Papa.
Well, maybe he can have them after they're open. And he'll probably want to see them race anyways. Okay, guys. Let's see this. As I was saying, this was our champ that we left off, the one and done series. So Ken's got his Indy cars on the sides, and we got the new block, the Challenger here. 1, 2, 3, go. Ratical Racer gets out to a good start. Oh, and the Datsun tried to bump him off, but those spikes popped a tire or something and sent him flying into the other wall. That is a one and done there. A one and doneer. A one and doneer. Okay, maybe we can find... No, I think all those ones went. We'll make this guy defend his title right away. I know this guy's particularly fast and straight. He's a Mercedes, or not a Mercedes, a Mustang. I'm calling Mustangs Mercedes today, Ken. I got I'm like all thumbs today. No, you can do it now. I wanted these two to go. Let's see it. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I don't know whether that can't be the right Mustang. That's not the right one.
Okay, give me a spare on that one. This one was fast the other day.
This one. I got one here. We're gonna give it a shot. You going? All right. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Oh! I found one that beat it.
Here's your new one and done champ.
Beating out that Ratical racer. Don't go racing out to the shelves just yet for that one, folks. All right, guys. This has been a whole lot of fun today. I think my video has been uploaded, and I want to get that posted for you guys. Oh, that's not going in there. No chance.
Full time lapse. There's our 1995 winner and our 1996 winner. Congrats to you guys getting the points.
Few of you guys have 8 points, getting both of those correct. Anyways, until next time, what do we say at the end of our videos, Ken? Keep those tires pumped in. Yeah. One day we'll have to work on our stadium. Our city. Debating on taking the walls down.
Why they are there?
Oh, that's the case of waiting. We have 2 champs so far, and we're going to fill it up with about 24 more cars in there. Yep. And then they're all going to have a big race-off tournament for more points. And we're going to... Well, you can leave that one in there for now. That one's a keeper. It's a pretty fast one.
Yeah, they're all the other ones. They were other ones in the R bath, in the herb, in the bath, in the.
Think about what you're saying. Put it together. Okay.
I was thinking about what it is. Hey, he doesn't want to do it.
Well, there's something in the way. Hold on. All right, guys. We're going to cancel this. Keep those tires pumped and racing. Thanks for watching.